Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to control Firestick with phone. Let's go. Open settings. Network. Check network. Your phone and your Fire TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Fire TV app. Choose your Fire Stick. Enter code. Now you can control the Fire Stick using your phone. That's it. Now you know how to control Fire Stick with phone. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.